Ever wondered how one word can express making something necessary? Let's explore the powerful word necessitate. The word necessitate is pronounced as necessitate. It is a verb, which means it shows an action. Necessitate means to make something necessary or unavoidable. In simple words, when one situation forces another thing to happen, we use the word necessitate. For example, imagine heavy rain causing flooding. That situation may necessitate immediate action. So, something happens because it must happen. Let's make it even clearer. If your phone battery dies, it may necessitate charging it immediately. You don't have much choice, it becomes necessary. Now, let's look at some synonyms of necessitate. Require, demand, compel, force, oblige. These words are similar because they all show that something must be done. Now, some antonyms. Avoid, prevent, deter. These are the opposite, as they stop something from happening instead of making it necessary. Let's see some real-life sentences. The sudden storm may necessitate a change in travel plans. His health condition necessitates regular checkups. New rules were introduced to necessitate better safety. Notice how in each example, something creates a situation where action becomes essential. A quick tip: use necessitate when you want to sound more formal or precise instead of saying make necessary. It's commonly used in academic, professional, and formal conversations. Understanding words like necessitate helps you express ideas more clearly and confidently in English. The more you practice, the more natural it becomes. Keep learning with Thesaurus Thrive.